Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining the base flavors so the sauce develops quickly. Put 1 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup brown sugar into a saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon Worcestershire, 1 tsp smoked paprika, and 1/2 tsp salt. Once these are in, stir to dissolve sugar and bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat. This activates spices and melds acid with sweetness. Make sure to taste early, so you can adjust salt or vinegar before thickening starts. You keep the sauce at a low simmer and control texture and flavor as it reduces. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring often to prevent scorching and to promote even reduction. Add 2 tablespoon molasses for smoky depth and 1 tsp mustard for savory lift. These shift the balance so ribs finish with complexity. If it's too thick, stir in 1/4 cup water or 1 tablespoon butter. If too thin, simmer a bit longer, while tasting every few minutes to refine. You finish by cooling and using the sauce strategically so ribs pick up flavor without burning. Cool for about 10 minutes, strain if you prefer a silky finish, and brush onto ribs during the last 10 to 15 minutes of cooking so sugars caramelize, but don't char. Reserve extra for serving. If the sauce seizes or separates, rewarm gently and whisk in 1 tsp warm water or a pat of butter to re-emulsify. This quick fix restores gloss and mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.